Good morning, my dear students. I'm Tr Astrid Colaco. Today I'm going to talk about National Bird of India. Do you know which is the National Bird of India? Yes, it is peacock. It is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty, and love. Peacock is a large and majestic bird. Peacock is a colorful, swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped chest of feathers on its head, a white patch under the eye, and a long, slender neck. Most people use the term peacock to describe both male and female birds, but peacock is actually a name that refers to male peafowl. Here's a difference between male and female. The male of the species is more colorful than the female, with a shiny blue breast and a neck and a spectacular bronze-green tail of around 200 elongated feathers. Beautiful and colorful tails are characteristic only for the males, whereas in the female are called peahens. The females are smaller than the male and gray or brown in color and lacks the tail. Here's a picture of male and female. Peacock occupies a respectable position in Indian culture, and it is fully protected under the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Indian peafowl is the most common type of peafowl found in many zoos and parks around the world. It is found in South Asia areas of Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and India. In India, people believe that whenever the peacock spreads its tail in an ornamental fashion, it indicates that rain is imminent. In a way, it is partly true. At the sight of dark clouds, the bird outspreads its tail and starts dancing in rhythmic fashion. The main purpose of peafowl of dancing is to attract the peahens. During a display ceremony, the peacock will stand its tail feathers up to form a fan that stretches out nearly 2 meters in length. Peafowl can live to over the age of 20 years. The peacocks looks more attractive when they reaches the age of 5 to 6 years. Peacocks have spurs on their feet used to fight with other males. Peafowl are omnivorous. They eat many types of plants, flower petals, seeds, insects, and small reptiles such as lizards. They can fly despite their massive tail feathers. They are one of the largest flying birds. Their length, including tail, can reach up to 5 feet. They can weigh between 8 to 13 pounds. Colors of the tail will look different every time you change the angle of looking because of the reflection of the light. Tail feathers have eye-like spots surrounded with red, green, gold, and red feathers. Peacock live in jungle lands near water. These birds do not sound as beautiful as they look. They have a harsh call. In 1963, the peacock was declared the National Bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian tradition. Thank you.